Aloha, you got Lanai with another edition of Wikibites presented by Time Supermarket. And today I'm going to show you how to make a seasoned soybean poke. So we just got some soybeans here and we're going to get some sesame oil. You know, we like to eat our soybeans, especially when we're having pupus or appetizers. We got some shoyu. So this is great to have while you're having some drinks or some cocktails. We got some powdered garlic. We got some minced garlic. And you can just cut up a couple of cloves of garlics to your liking. We got some sesame seed. And we got some chili flakes. And that's pretty much it. We're just gonna toss this. Make sure that all your soybeans get some of that flavor on there. Anytime you go to a bar in Hawaii or a cool restaurant, a lot of times they'll serve soybeans on the table just to get you started. And this is it right here. This is another version that we like to do here in Hawaii and of course at Time Supermarket. That's it. Let's try it. Oh yeah. Oh no stuff.